So, John, do you like to play golf?
Well, no. I don't play golf very much, but I play disc golf.
Disc golf? What's that?
Well, some people call it Frisbee golf. Basically, there are courses at parks. It's similar to golf, but the courses are much smaller. You use frisbees or a flying disc and you have to throw it. So it's different from golf. You are not aiming for a small hole, but actually, you need to throw the frisbee into a basket.
Oh, that sounds fun. Is it very easy?
Well, it can be easy or it can be very difficult. It depends on the course. Many different parks have different disc golf courses. And you can be an easy beginner or you can be an expert. It all depends on how much you want to get involved.
I see.
My friends or I, we are beginners, so we just like to have fun. So we just do the easy courses and have a good time. I think it's relaxing.
So you only need one frisbee?
Well, actually, it's better to have two or three. You can play with one, but in fact, when you learn more about disc golf, there are different sizes and weights of the discs.
Why would you want a different size disc?
Well, it's similar to the clubs in golf. When you throw your first throw, you want it to go very far, so you should use a heavier disc. But when you are near the basket, you should make a short throw, so you want a lightweight disc.
I see. That's interesting.
Yeah. So as I said, when you want to become an expert, you have to spend more money to get better equipment. It's like any sport, I guess. In fact, they have disc golf competitions now. So you can even participate in a tournament and win some prize money.
Did you ever compete?
Oh no. I am just a beginner. I don't think I want to be too serious about it.
So golf has 18 holes. How about disc golf? Does it have 18 holes, too?
Well, not usually. Golf courses are very large, but disc golf courses are usually found in parks. So they usually have only 6 holes. But you can play 18 holes by doing all 6 3 times each.
I see. How do you keep score?
Scorekeeping is like real golf. So the winner should have the lowest score. Every time you throw a frisbee or a flying disc, you have to mark 1 point. So if you can do a hole-in-one, that means you can hit the basket on your first try, then you will only have 1 point. That's best. But I am not that good at it. So usually, I have 3 or 4 points for each course.
I see. You said disc golf is at the park. Do you have little kids playing in the middle of the course?
Sometimes, the kids, of course, they can play wherever they want. And the courses do go through the park where kids play. So we have to be very careful, and we have to use good sportsmanship to wait for the course to be clear.
It sounds like a lot of fun.
It is fun. Maybe you can join us next time.
That sounds great. Thank you. I am noticing you watching TV throughout the day and doing nothing.
Yes, I am free to watch TV and do anything I wish as my vacations have just started.
Yes, I know that your vacations have started. So why do not you utilize this time and do something that will help you in the future?
But are not vacations just to relax and do nothing?
No, I made the most out of my vacations, and I wish you to do the same.
I did not see you do anything during your vacations. All I remember was you lounging on the sofa with your phone.
Oh, I was not lounging on the sofa. I was in the middle of completing a course, and you must opt for a short course too.
What kind of a course?
I mean, there are so many courses. Choose a course that is related to your studies, and that will be an add-on for you. It will also add up to your resume.
Do I have a choice of doing a part-time internship?
Of course, you have that choice.
I can apply online for a part-time internship and can gain experience that will help me once I get out in the real world of corporate.
That is true. I think getting work experience is more important than dragging yourself through a degree and throwing lots of money into it.
Are you suggesting?
No, not at all. Don't even think of it. Degrees are important too. And more important than that is choosing the right field.
But you said just now that work experience is more important.
Yes, it is important, but a degree in a particular field with an addition of work experience works as a cherry on the cake.
So in short, it will make my job easier, and I will get to learn more?
Yes, you will get to learn more and you will understand how to manage your studies and internship at once.
Will it not be tough?
Exactly. It will be tough, but like I said just now, that you will learn how to manage your routine.
Okay, I will list out some startups to work with, and I shall let you know in the evening.
Good. Now don't go and watch TV again.
Yeah, I am not like you.
Oh, just go away.